It's just really fun to go out there. It's not about always getting the bird, it's mostly just about having fun.
Why is it important that kids come out here pheasant hunting?
Well, you know, the numbers are down across the country in the state of Michigan. State of Michigan is last in recruiting and retention out of all 50 states, and we're trying to climb out of that. So we think it's important to introduce kids to not just pheasant hunting, but any kind of hunting. So we instill this hunting thing in them when they're young, and they continue to do it when they're older, because we want them to learn the things that we learned when we were kids.
Oh, come on, you gotta be a little more enthusiastic.
Yeah.
We're doing it again. Okay. Yell it out. 3, 2, 1.
I love pheasant hunting!
There it is.